Hello and welcome to the video. If this is your first time here, my name is Mike. If you've been here before, my name is still Mike, but you knew that already. This week we're in Red Deer, checking out the giant Coke bottle, which stands just outside the Red Deer Bottling Company headquarters. The company was founded in 1911 in a building on Gates Avenue just south of 48th Street. While the company manufactured several soft drinks and aerated waters, their prized product was Jersey Cream, which was described as a pleasant and healthful beverage. In the 1920s, they were selling soft drinks that yours truly has never heard of, like Delaware Punch, Cal-Aid, King's Court, and Canuck Dry Ginger Ale. In 1936, the Red Deer Bottling Company secured the rights to bottle Coca-cola. After a couple more moves around Red Deer into larger and larger facilities, they built a warehouse in the Edgar Industrial Park, which is where we caught up with the giant Coke bottle. In the reception area of this building, there is a small display, including a door from a former delivery truck, which was found rusting away in a farmer's field. A vintage Coke machine is centered in the display, which includes Coca-Cola collectibles, old bottles, and various other memorabilia. All that remains now is for me to remind you to subscribe. If you enjoyed the video, click or tap on the thumbs up icon. That also lets me and YouTube know I'm doing a good job. Feel free to share the video with friends or family members who you think may enjoy it. And remember, you can follow Great Intermaging on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok if you so desire. But until next time, bye-bye.